What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to show you how to use AI to make money online with at least one strategy that I personally use in my own online business endeavors. Now there's 3 steps to this particular process. The first step is you use a service like chatgpt, which is the AI service, to get suggestions on making YouTube video content for whatever niche your channel is about. Number 2 is you actually make the videos that the AI suggests, and number 3 is you monetize those videos as your channel grows with things like affiliate marketing, monetizing the actual YouTube channel with ad revenue, or perhaps steering people to some kind of landing page where you collect an email list and then promote something to them down the line. Maybe it could be your own services, whatever the case is. And I'm going to walk you through this process in this video. You're going to be able to use this as a template for your own potential business. And then if you have any questions about that, you're welcome to ask me in the comments below. Now, before I do get into all of that, let me just quickly say that if you are new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I'm someone that does online business for a living. I do things like affiliate marketing, and here are some of my stats in this business. I also do other things to make money online, such as I have a blog website that gets visitors, and I monetize that by putting ads on the site, which then pay me for the more visitors that I get. I basically share my knowledge about what I know in this business and how I've been doing it over the past 16 or 17 plus years full time. On this channel, I cover AI stuff, I cover how to make money with YouTube, affiliate marketing, blogging, SEO, all that sort of stuff. So if this is something that you're interested in, you're welcome to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and check out more videos for more content. Now, in addition to that, if you are new or struggling, I would highly recommend that you check out the link that I'm going to leave in the description of this video, which will showcase a beginner course that you're welcome to check out that teaches you the fundamentals of how to make money online, where you get the baseline knowledge and action steps that you need to succeed and basically follow in the same footsteps that I do to get where I am get where I am today with this. So with that out of the way, let me get back into the actual process. So a quick review, there's 3 steps to it. The first one is you use AI as a service like ChatGPT, which is what I'm going to be using here, to get suggestions on what kind of YouTube videos to make on whatever niche that your channel is based on. Then number 2 is you actually make the YouTube videos. Then number 3 is you monetize the YouTube videos through the different options that I laid out earlier in the video, and I will mention them again. So let's get started with the first step. And then the first step is, we'll use myself as an example. My YouTube channel is based on the subject of online business. Now, in your particular case, when you start a YouTube channel, I would highly recommend that that be based on something that you know a lot about, your own personal niche. So if you know a lot about, let's say, hiking or outdoor travel, make your YouTube channel on that. If you know a lot about the subject of AI and technology or gaming and all that kind of stuff, make your channel on that. When you make a channel based on some stuff that you're actually interested and knowledgeable about, it's much easier to actually create content and be more authoritative for your viewers. So in my particular case, because I know the subject of online business, there's a lot of branches to it. There's affiliate marketing, there's AI writing tools, there's Pinterest SEO, there's blogging, and all that sort of stuff. So I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT and then basically say, hey, I'm creating a YouTube channel whose niche focus is online business, and I want to get at least 10 content ideas on popular topics people look up in YouTube on this subject. And I can add more details about. This can also include things like Pinterest, YouTube, affiliate marketing, email list. If you know branches of your subject, add it here, because the more details you add, the easier it's going to be for AI to give you more comprehensive ideas. Email marketing, email list stuff, and AI writing tools. All right, let's see what it does. And it'll probably give me a bunch of good ideas over here. And what you can do is, with these ideas, you can actually dig deeper into a lot of them. I'm actually going to show you one that I have at least 3 different content ideas that I made from. So, how to start an online business in 2025, Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy, make money with 0 followers. I like this. Best AI tools for online business in 2024. Yeah, that's good. So, honestly, these are pretty solid ideas. You can make an individual YouTube video on each of these, which is step 2. Now, of course, you want to know your subject. You can put a camera in front of you like I do right now, or you can just basically do a faceless YouTube channel. I would recommend that you do something where you show your face because it does add to authority and it does help with the money-making process. But these things over here, I mean, look, I can honestly just go and make these 10 different YouTube videos on this subject, and for me, honestly, the more content that I have on my YouTube channel, the better it is. Now, I do have a previous one that I made that I actually got 3 different ideas from, and I was actually asking questions about the Amazon Influencer Program, which ChatGPT gave me excellent research on about this. And so basically what I had at the time was 3 different video ideas from this. First is a review of the Amazon Influencer Program, which I did make. The second one is a comparison between the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Associates Program. And the third one, which is what I'm going to be making in the future, is a list of different niches. So let's see over here, where's that? Perfect. So it actually asked me, want a few ideas on the best niches for higher commissions. I said, yes, please. And bam, it gave me all of these. So this right here is another YouTube video that I can make on just this one thing. And that doesn't include what we were just covering in the subject of online business. So this is basically step 1, really explained very thoroughly, but I hope that this makes sense. In your case, type up the niche that you're interested in, that you're making the YouTube channel on, give it some ideas, topics that you know a lot about within this niche, to give it more things to work with. You can, it doesn't even have to be a list of 10 things. You can go with 50 or even 100. ChatGPT will really give you some great stuff. So that's step 1. Step 2 is you actually have to make the video content. Now, I just want to make sure that I'm going to show you real quick this stuff over here that I was just talking about, where I was asking it about the Amazon Influencer Program. I did go ahead and I made at least 2 videos so far. Now, the thing to understand is, for a lot of people that are just getting their YouTube channel started, I have over 8,000 subscribers at the time of this video that you're watching. For some people it's a lot, for others it's nothing. It's certainly nothing like viral and stuff, but there is one influencer program explained. It's currently up to 61 views. This next one is only 9 views. Obviously not all the videos that you make are going to be popular. Some videos that I make get thousands, tens of thousands of views. Some of them get single-digit views, double-digit views, but the more content you create, the more authority your YouTube channel grows. So this scales, and I even have situations where old videos that I've created months, even years ago, are actually getting traction now in YouTube and views because I'm actually growing my channel. So just because you create videos and they're not getting too much views at the beginning doesn't mean that that's always going to be the case. You want to scale and keep making content on your YouTube channel so it gets more and more recognized. Obviously, there's other things you want to do, like YouTube SEO, good thumbnail stuff. You can even ask ChatGPT about that stuff so it can give you more details, but let's stick to the main subject here. So I made at least a few of these videos. I got, let's say, over 70 views overall, and this is where we get into step 3, the making money online part. So as I was explaining earlier in this video, there's a bunch of ways that you can monetize your content. You can do affiliate marketing. So for example, you create your YouTube videos on Amazon Associates or Amazon Influencer Program. You can maybe pitch some kind of affiliate product which teaches people how to make money as an Amazon affiliate. You can lead people to an email list, which is one of the things that I do on my YouTube channel, where I collect an email list. And through my email list, yes, I do promote some stuff, but I do also give people good information. So it's a kind of like a long-term way to monetize. Then there's also the subject of YouTube monetization. And YouTube monetization is basically where you get enough views on your channel, you get enough content out, and then you're eligible to start having ads run on your YouTube videos, which then can make you money if you make more video content. Now, in that situation, you want to make sure that you choose a niche that actually has more potential for views. So I would ask ChatGPT if it can help you choose something based on your interest that usually has a lot of people looking up stuff in YouTube for. So for example, nature, gaming stuff, popular trending things, politics, I guess, is another one. But in my particular case, I'm more focused on doing affiliate marketing on my channel and collecting an email list. So those are the main things that I monetize with. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can make money with AI in the case with YouTube. Now, there are other options, and I will probably be making other videos in the future regarding regarding this because I do personally use AI in more than one way to make money online. And if this is something you're interested in knowing more about, let me know in the comments section below. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer it to the best of my ability. But as I was saying earlier in this video, I do make money online for a living. I do online business for a living. It's not just YouTube. I also do paid ads, Pinterest SEO. I have multiple websites and all that kind of stuff. Here's some of my stats in this business, as I was explaining. I do have others, but the point being is I help others who are new or struggling in this business through content like this and through the guide that's free and beginner friendly that you can check out in the description below the video. So that summarizes what I wanted to get across in today's video. If you have any questions about this, do let me know. But as usual, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.